Welcome to the Midwifery Services Framework, the road to a better future for every country. We all want to keep women and their newborns safe, before, during and after pregnancy and birth. One of the best ways to do this is through midwife-led care. This journey starts and ends with healthy women, newborns and their families. MSF brings together Ministries of Health and Education, midwives and others to work on the changes needed to implement midwife-led care. Our first step is to identify existing gaps and agree on the priorities for the package of care that women need. Next, we organise the health system to support midwife-led care so that women and their newborns receive good quality services which are accessible, acceptable and available to all. Now we build a professional midwifery workforce by ensuring sufficient, well-supported and regulated midwives, recruited and deployed across the country, whose skills are developed through competency-based education. Then we create an enabling environment where midwives are recognised, resourced and valued, and can practice autonomously within an integrated midwifery service, with access to backup and emergency services, and where women and newborns receive respectful and safe care. Finally, we meet to monitor, evaluate, adapt, and continue to strengthen the Midwives Association, ensuring our Midwifery Services Framework is successfully integrated with the country's health system. We hope you will join us on the MSF journey, because all women and newborns have a right to quality midwifery care, whoever they are, wherever they live.